The sounds of the violin makes the song hit real hard. This song can be a soundtrack of a movie or something, guys. Hello guys, mabuhay and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rams Atagak. How are you guys? And for today's video, I'm going to make a reaction to RS. Guys, RS is she's a young sister of Easy Meal. And I'm going to make a reaction to Raining Sorrow perform Raindrop live on the Wish USA bus. And before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell button so you are always updated in my reaction video. Okay guys, without further ado, let's get started. Wow, beautiful city. It looks like LA downtown. Wow, nice place.
Sunlight breaches through the room in a spectacle like in full
Wow.
bloom, and I wonder why can't I smile?
Wish 1075.
Feels like I can't take no more. The curtains I have shut and closed, 'cause I don't seem to like that happy life.
Wait guys, her voice is very nice together with musical instruments that you can feel the sadness of the song. Let's continue.
They all say that they're gonna stay, but I know it's all a lie. Sorry, forgive me, but I don't know who I am. I used to have a loved you.
Wait guys, she wrote this song when she was 13 years old and she's 15 years old now guys. RS is a young sister of Easy Meal. Very talented, same talented. So let's continue.
But now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling.
This song is so calming
Feels like I've
and
been
beautiful.
shut inside a box where I can't see the light, and it don't seem that I want to get out. The people who have loved me so are in places that I do not know, and it don't seem that I really wanna shout. Sorry, forgive me.
Wait guys, I love her voice, so pure and emotional. She paint her emotion perfectly in the lyrics and she has a very unique, clean voice. Very pleasant to listen. Let's continue.
But I don't know who I am. I used to have loved you, but now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling.
Wait guys, the sounds of the violin makes the song hit real hard. This song can be a soundtrack of a movie or something guys. Wow, such a beautiful voice. Very nice to listen. Let's continue.
sorry.
Guys, you can feel the soft and tender and her angelic voice, and you can see the beautiful side of this world, guys, while listening to her song. Wow, amazing voice. Let's continue.
Forgive me, but I don't know who I am.
Wish exclusive
Empty
on Wish
inside me,
1075.
and now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling.
Wow. That's the video, guys. Oh my god. RS Raining Sorrow perform Raindrops live on the Wish USA bus. Guys, she has a very good voice and you can feel relaxed while you are listening, guys. Wow. Her voice is very nice together with musical instruments that you can feel the sadness of the song, guys. I love her voice. So pure and emotional. She paints her emotions perfectly in her lyrics. She has a very unique, clean voice. Very talented. Guys, she wrote this song when she was 13 years old and she's 15 years old now. RS is a young sister of Easy Meal. Same talented. So guys, that is for today's video. And if you like my reaction, just give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. So guys, this is me, Rams Atagap. See you again in my next reaction video. Thank you for watching.